Family, greetings to the Artist Journal family. This is your brother Samar here for another episode here at the Artist Journal. This is day number 4. We are right back at it here at the cafe. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see the progress, the vibes. And just for your FYI, this is a natural build out. We're not using any stone, brick. Simply wood, apart wood to build out the small kitchen. As you can see here, again, this is where all the paintings will go. Yeah. We see Mama come when she want to, huh? Yeah. She got that bread. Yeah. Oh yeah, what's the holiday? Raina, you almost have 200 views now. 200. Yours is close to 400.
How many days?
A day and a half, 2 days. Just shh. Million views. You gotta keep working hard. Steve, is it possible you can give us a breakdown of the cafe? How far are we?
So far, so good. Up to that level, what's remaining is filling the bigger spaces, and then we have the windows. Then it's done. Nothing more.
So after, how much longer you think the process will be?
I think 2 more days.
About 2 more days?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put the windows. Those are the ones we can pull up, pull down, and lock it.
Yeah, on the front. Yeah.
Yeah, man. You think we need security?
Of course we will.
Especially for this place or the paintings?
For this place especially, because we are going to have maybe fridges, some storage for the packed foods, something like that.
What I'm looking at now, man, we just gave Baba the vision, and within a couple of days, it's like boom. Baba is tough when it comes to building, man. What you think?
Yeah. Very tough when it comes to building, and he normally does it with love. That's one thing about him. Yeah.
Kraina, how are we looking for the next project?
The next project. I think the next project after the art shop cafe is maybe making the art shop cafe work. That's the main project, yeah.
No, we asking fast the painting.
Oh, about the painting.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I've taken a couple of days off. I'm off, but always working through my mind, making sure that the next project is also a hit. Yeah, I don't just run to paintings and paintings. No, I take my time, look at the next projects, ask for reviews from people, then I do it. Then it becomes a hit. That's what I do. Yeah. But still on the Indigo Queens. Yeah.
Sawa, we know you are full of surprises, so we have to ask every once in a while.
The biggest surprise
Ah,
is yet to come. Not even the Indigo Queens.
ah.
I think the Maasai ladies and the Maasai men, that will be the biggest surprise. Not only in the Ashok Cafe.
Yeah.
Even in Diani.
Yeah,
All the artists will be like, whoa!
yeah. That's what we want. Nothing but surprises. J Cafe, how we looking on them shoes?
Going good. I like how it's coming along. I'm excited, so I need to do more shoes. Oh, and I also came out here to give some good news. 8 p.m. tonight, KBC 1. 8 p.m. tonight, KBC 1.
KBC One. That's the news channel that the two brothers in J Cafe was interviewed on. KBC. Tune in, family. Wow, 8 o'clock tonight.
8 o'clock tonight. Just got the news.
So J Cafe, real quick, what's gonna be the price point of your shoes?
Definitely depends on the complexity of the design and the style, but in the 5,000-6,000 range.
That's equivalent. 5,000-6,000. That what's that in USD?
About between $40 and $50.
That's not bad at all for custom art. You understand? Appreciate you. So again, family, day number 4, as you can see, is building out beautifully. And we was gonna paint the shop, but I'm liking this natural color, man. What you guys think? Drop me a comment or two. What you guys think on the paint? Should we keep it this color or should we paint it? Steve, what you think, man? Should we paint the cafe or leave it natural color?
I think it should remain just the way it is.
Ditto.
I agree. I think I like the natural wood, plus everything else just going to be so colorful and vibrant. So leave that neutral and then let the art, be the center of attention.
Diana, you feel the same thing?
Yeah. I just feel let it be that way. No painting, no nothing. Yeah.
So you guys heard it from the team. I'm kind of 50-50 with it, but they voted me out, so we keeping it natural. Jatno. Hey, see the monkey? Man, the monkey hit the jump. Bah, 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 bah. What's done today, we are closing out the food portion cafe in a couple more days. Also, I'm closing out this Bob Marley painting, which I will be displaying in the next video. So appreciate you guys tuning in for another episode. Go ahead and hit that like, share, subscribe for your brother. I put the link in the description to support us on a coffee. The app is called Buy Me a Coffee for Jessica and I. You know, we are big time coffee consumers. So I just would love for you guys to support our habit. Y'all know. And until next time, this is the Artist Journal. Tuning in just to tune back out, just to tune back in. Peace out to the family. Until next time. Peace.